channel. Today I'm unboxing the RedTiger F7N Dashcam, and let me just say, first impressions already have me excited. Right out of the box, the first thing we see is the quick start guide. This little book is super handy. It includes various QR codes, like one for setting up the camera and another for downloading the RedTiger app. With the app, you can easily access your saved clips anytime. Next, there's the user manual, which gives you a breakdown of all components included with the dashcam. From the camera itself to the mounts and cables, everything you need is detailed right here. It's nice to see how organized and user-friendly this package is. Here's a look at the RedTiger F7N Dashcam fresh out of the box. One of the great things about this camera is that it already comes with 64GB memory card, so you'll have storage for your footage. It comes with a GPS mount, making it easy to install directly onto your rear view mirror. Inside, you'll find two cables. One plugs into the car charger for the front camera, while the other connects to the rear camera. The set also includes all the tools you'll need for installation, multiple cable clips to keep things organized, and a special tool to neatly feed the wires into your car for a clean setup. Everything you need is right here, guys. Now, although this seemed like an easy setup, I wanted to make sure everything was installed correctly. So, I decided to use some extra reinforcements to secure the installation and ensure the camera stays in place for the long haul. Here, we're figuring out the best spot to install the front camera. To get started, we peel off the electrostatic sticker and carefully transfer it to the window shield. Once the sticker is in place, we attach the front camera, pressing it firmly to ensure it's securely installed. Now, I'm plugging the power supply cable into the car and connecting the other end to the camera to turn it on. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I did run into a little bit of trouble at first, but don't worry, your girl got it figured out after a couple of tries. Here, you can see him feeding the extra wire into the upper crevice, using the included tool to make it easier to tuck the wire, especially since it's pretty thick. We successfully guided the wire down along the window and into the glove compartment for a clean and seamless setup. At this point, I was told this part was easy enough for me to handle on my own. After a bit of repositioning and adjusting, I successfully plugged in the second cord and got everything connected. Now he's continuing to tuck the wire and feed it toward the back of the car, getting everything set up so we can install the rear. Here we're deciding where to place the rear camera. It's waterproof and can be installed outside the car, with the recommended spot being above the license plate. However, that will require removing the trunk panel, screws, and license plate light to pass the cable through. And we didn't have the tools or time for that. So for now, the camera is going on the inside of the back of the rear window. And just like that, the rear camera is installed. Here's a look at the view from the back camera. Honestly, it doesn't look bad at all being inside the car, but I might try moving it outside later on to see if it performs any better, especially since it's designed to withstand all types of weather. Now let's check out the view from the front camera. As you can see, it not only shows a clear image, but it also displays the date, time, and day, as well as the coordinates, direction, and even your current speed in miles per hour. It's a pretty cool feature for added convenience and security. So that's a quick look at the RedTiger F7N Dashcam. As you can see, it got some awesome features that can really make a difference for your driving experience. Overall, a dashcam serves as a safety tool that can protect you, your passengers, and your vehicle in various situations. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. See you guys next week with a new video. Bye!